Okay, to round your textbooks, as someone asked, when you want to give a rounded border to your textbooks, first, of course, you have to create the textbooks, because without the textbooks, then there's nothing to round the borders. So I'm creating my textbooks and I'm naming it textbooks whose border needs rounding, something of that kind. Then I give it a font style, and then I'll give it a size of 70. And since by default my textbooks has no background color, I'm going to give it a color. Which suits me. And then of course, since I've given it a color, I'll try and change the font style. You'll forgive me for my poor choice of color, but let me just use black. Now, then let me center align my text. So, but usually, for me to change to round, I need to change the text box into that rectangular with a rounded corner. Then that yellow thing is what I'm going to use for rounding my border, my text box border. So I can just move it around depending on how I want it to be. So basically that is how I can round the borders of my text box. Of course, the Ctrl D as seen previously already helps me to duplicate my slide. Thank you again for watching. Stay tuned.